As in past events, the teams with rear steer at Hollister Hills had the advantage in almost every obstacle. As Leo drove, his passenger operated the rear steer, which allowed Leo to plant his foot on the gas and let it rip. Ultimately, this strategy worked, and Kuthar claimed the fastest run of the day.
Thanks.
What do you think about that?
I think that was a tough course, guys.
Tell us about it. Take us through that run.
I'll tell you what, that first section of rocks that had a little bit of water on them, I was so nervous and all riled up and trying to go fast, I kept slipping off them, and then I started listening to Shane. He grabbed the rear steer and took over, and we at least made it through that. Once we got to the logs, Shane's just like, hammer it, hit it, hold it, don't lift it, just do it. And that's how we got through it. We just hammered it.
It was a great finish. Very exciting. What do you think about the end of that?
It's awesome. It's really good.
Yeah, very, very fun.
Let's do it again.
Great job, guys. Great
Thank
job. Way to go, man.